Hey again everyone, this is Fuad and this is the second flight day of the FT Spitfire. As you can see, I've done a pretty nice paint job on it and I've also added some landing gears. So let's see how she performs. The Spitfire is one of flight test's most popular warbirds, or in fact one of the most popular planes you can ever make, and if you are a beginner looking forward to advanced flying skills, this model is ideal. The undercamber wing provides good characteristics for slow flying, which makes it quite easy for new pilots. On top of that, you can also do maneuvering techniques like rolls, loops, and inverted flying. This is a classical 4-channel plane, so you have thrust, elevator, ailerons, and rudder. I'm running this off a 2212 1400 kV motor along with a 30 amp ESC, followed by 9-gram servos, and the battery is a 2200 3-cell.
This story stays with me like a haunting melody. What do spirits say? What do spirits say in the darkest days? What do spirits say?
The aileron flaps do not have high throws, which is why the plane takes significantly long time to perform a single roll. But you can fix this quite easily by increasing the throws on the radio transmitter settings or manually changing the holes on the servo horn. Inverted flying was quite nice, just make sure to pull up the throttle when it's inverted because the nose seems to pitch down quite a lot.
When the silence is too loud, I swear I can hear a voice, left a message in the clouds.
Taking off and landing was not a problem, but I overall feel that hand launching and belly landing is more preferred. And besides, warbirds do not seem to look too good with the landing gear on when they fly in the air.